In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly organize and plan your week using Google and great Notion support services. Let's get started by diving into this powerful productivity tool. First things first, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to Google. Simply type Notion into the search bar and hit enter. This will bring up a list of results, where you'll want to click on the Notion official website link. It's usually one of the top results, so it should be easy to find. Once you've landed on the Notion homepage, look towards the top right corner where you'll see the Login button. Click on this button to proceed, and if you're not already a member, it's a great opportunity to quickly sign up. Notion offers various features for organizing your notes, tasks, and projects all in one place. After you log in, we're going to navigate to the Marketplace section. From the Notion dashboard, you'll see a tab labeled Marketplace. Click on it to explore the vast array of templates and tools available to you. This is your gateway to customizing and utilizing Notion according to your specific needs. Now that you're in the Marketplace, let's focus on finding a planner template to streamline your weekly planning. In the search bar within the Marketplace, type Weekly Planner and press Enter. This query will present you with various planner templates. The key here is to browse through and find a template that resonates with your workflow and personal style. Once you've chosen a template that you like, click on it to get a closer look. Most templates will give you a sneak peek of the layout and features. If it's exactly what you need, go ahead and click on Add to integrate it into your workspace. After adding the template, you'll notice a new page appearing in the sidebar on your Notion dashboard. This new addition is your personalized weekly planner. Click on this page to start customizing it with your weekly tasks and plans. Here comes the fun part. Start adding tasks to your planner. Consider including all your important meetings, deadlines, and any personal reminders. Remember, the more detail you put into your planner, the more useful it will be in keeping you organized and on track. As you populate your planner, you'll see just how effortlessly you can plan your entire week. The ability to visualize your tasks and activities in one cohesive space will undoubtedly boost your productivity and help you manage your time effectively. There you have it. Your week is organized and under control with the help of Notion. Don't forget to regularly update your planner as your week progresses to stay on top of everything. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this guide helpful for optimizing your weekly planning. See you in the next video.